Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Colorful Living. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful vibrant boho-inspired outdoor space decor and 10 decorating ideas to turn your outdoor space into a boho paradise. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In this video, we'll explore the enchanting realm of vibrant boho outdoor spaces. Get ready to infuse your patio with a lively bohemian vibe that exudes warmth, comfort, and creativity. So let's dive in and discover how you can turn your outdoor space into a boho paradise. 1. Understanding the vibrant boho style. Before we dive into the practical aspects of creating a vibrant boho outdoor space, let's understand the essence of this style. Vibrant boho style combines the free-spiritedness of bohemian design with a bold and lively color palette. It celebrates unconventional elements, natural textures, and a mix of patterns, resulting in a harmonious and eclectic outdoor environment. 2. Embrace natural elements. To achieve a boho vibe, incorporate natural elements into your outdoor space. Use wooden furniture, wicker chairs, or rattan accents to create a warm and earthy atmosphere. Don't forget to add greenery. Potted plants, hanging baskets, and climbing vines can bring life and freshness to your patio. 3. Play with color and patterns. Inject energy into your outdoor living area with vibrant colors and patterns. Opt for bold, rich hues like deep blues, fiery oranges, and sunny yellows. Mix and match patterns such as ikat, paisley, and Moroccan motifs to add a lively boho touch. 4. Layer textures. Boho style thrives on layers and textures. Add cozy throws, patterned cushions, and fluffy rugs to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Mix and match different fabrics such as macrame, kilim, and woven materials to add depth and visual interest. 5. Create a relaxation zone. Make your outdoor space the perfect spot to unwind and relax. Incorporate hammocks, swing chairs, or a cozy reading nook with a comfortable seating arrangement. Add some fairy lights or lanterns to create a magical ambience for evenings spent under the stars. 6. Introduce eclectic decor. A boho outdoor space thrives on unique and eclectic decor pieces. Think colorful lanterns, dream catchers, ceramic planters, and globally inspired art. Incorporate these elements strategically to add personality and charm to your patio. 7. Incorporate vintage finds. Visit flea markets or thrift stores to find one-of-a-kind vintage treasures. Look for weathered wooden tables, retro chairs, or antique accessories. These vintage pieces will add character and authenticity to your vibrant boho outdoor space. 8. Enhance with textile accents. Textiles play a crucial role in creating a bohemian atmosphere. Hang vibrant tapestries, install canopy curtains, or drape colorful saris to provide shade and privacy. Don't shy away from mixing and layering different fabrics to add richness and warmth to your outdoor oasis. 9. Create a cozy dining area. Transform your patio into an inviting dining area for al fresco gatherings. Opt for a rustic wooden table surrounded by mismatched chairs. Decorate the table with vibrant tablecloths, colorful glassware, and ceramic dinnerware to add a touch of boho charm. 10. Embrace outdoor lighting. To extend the magical ambience into the night, embrace outdoor lighting options. String fairy lights across your patio, hang paper lanterns, or install solar-powered garden lights to create a warm and enchanting atmosphere. Let your outdoor space shine. Congratulations! You're now equipped with 10 amazing ideas to create a vibrant boho outdoor space. Remember, the key to achieving a bohemian paradise lies in the creative use of color, texture, and natural elements. Embrace the free-spirited nature of boho style and let your outdoor space reflect your unique personality and love for vibrant design. Don't forget to subscribe to Colorful Living on YouTube for more inspiring content and design tips. It is enough for the basics. After this we will provide you gallery of beautiful vibrant boho-inspired outdoor space decor ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Colorful Living, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.